you accidentally fell into a black hole, the first thing that would happen is nothing. Absolutely nothing. Which is suspicious, right? Because when you fall into something that can swallow entire stars, you expect a bit more drama. Maybe a trumpet sound. Maybe someone shouting, "Don't do that!" But no, you're just floating there in space. Now, before we continue, we should quickly explain what a black hole actually is. A black hole is what happens when a massive star collapses under its own gravity and becomes so dense that not even light can escape. Light, the fastest thing in the universe, gone. Which means if you shine a torch at it, the light basically says, "Nope," and immediately quits its job. Around every black hole is an invisible boundary called the event horizon. Crossing it is a bit like walking into a shop that says, "Open" on the door, but actually means, "You live here now." Once you cross that boundary, escape is impossible. Not difficult, not unlikely, impossible. Even your regrets cannot leave. But let's say you ignore all common sense and fall in anyway. At first, it might feel strangely calm. You are drifting gently through space toward the darkest object in the universe. Very peaceful, almost relaxing, like meditation. Except the meditation instructor is gravity, and it has the personality of a blender. As you fall closer, gravity starts pulling harder on your feet than on your head. Scientists call this delightful process spaghettification. This is a real scientific term, which means somewhere in the history of physics, a group of very serious researchers sat down, did complex mathematics based on general relativity from Albert Einstein, and eventually announced to the world, yes, you become spaghetti.
The spaghetti is escaping. The pasta is becoming longer, much longer, unreasonably longer. And why is the fork moving? Oh, damn. Blood! Blood! More spaghetti. More and
Long spaghetti. More and more long spaghetti. Long spaghetti.
more and more long spaghetti.
Spaghetti. More and more long spaghetti.
Thanks for watching Brain Melt Lab. If your brain is still recovering, take a moment, subscribe, and join us next time when reality gets even weirder.